What if I told you that you could create Hollywood quality videos with just a text prompt? Yeah, I'm serious. First, see the video we are going to create.
Now, you can access Google Veo 3. Just follow the instructions given in this video.
Today, I'm showing you how to access Google's insane new Veo 3 AI video tool. Even if you're not in the US, no VPN needed, no special tricks, just pure AI magic. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. Last week, Google dropped Veo 3 and the internet literally exploded. People were creating videos so realistic you couldn't tell they were AI generated. The audio, the movement, the details, everything was next level. But there was one tiny problem. It was only available in select countries. If you were in India, basically anywhere outside the US, tough luck, right? Well, not anymore. Today I'm showing you the secret backdoor that lets you use Veo 3 from anywhere in the world. And the best part, you probably already have access to it. All you need is a Freepik account. You know, that site where you grab all your design assets? Yep, that one. If you don't have one yet, links in the description. Let's get started. Okay, first things first. We need a killer prompt. And here's a pro tip that'll save you money. Since video generation uses credits, a bad prompt equals wasted credits. So let's be smart about this. Head over to ChatGPT and type something like, write a detailed video prompt for your idea. Be specific. See how it formats everything perfectly? Now you can tweak the details. Change the character, the setting, whatever you want. Once you're happy, copy that prompt. We're gonna need it in a second. Alright, now for the magic part. Go to freepik.com. I'll put the exact link below. On the homepage, look for AI Suite. It's usually right up here. Click that. Now select AI Video Generator. This is where the fun begins. See this mode drop down under Generate Video? Click it. And look at this lineup. We've got Kling AI, Runway ML, and there it is, Google Veo 3. Select Veo 3 and paste your prompt right here. Now, quick heads up, you can't change video duration or aspect ratio yet. It's still in early access, but honestly, the default settings work great. Hit that generate button and now we wait. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect time to grab a coffee. And wow, look at this. The movement is so natural. The lighting, the details, it's honestly mind-blowing. And we made this in literally 3 minutes. Now real talk. With a standard Freepik subscription, you'll get enough credits for about 3 to 4 videos like this. But compared to actually filming this, that's basically free. Quick tips before you go. Be super specific with your prompts. Save your credits by planning your videos first. Try different styles. Veo 3 is amazing with cinematic shots. So there you have it. Google Veo 3. Accessible from anywhere, no VPN needed. If this helped you out, smash that like button. And drop a comment with what kind of video you are planning to create. I'd love to see your ideas.